Welcome to Homework Lib.
All right, so let's say we have a Cessna aircraft like this. This is a very crude drawing of our Cessna, but it has a required liftoff velocity of 170 kilometers per hour. So really quickly, 170 kilometers per hour in meters a second is like 47.22 meters a second. We want to know what minimum acceleration does it require if it has to be airborne in a distance x of 240 meters. So the acceleration then is going to be v squared over 2x, so 47.22 meters per second squared over 480 meters. That is 4.65 meters per second squared. And then part B, how long does it take for the aircraft to become airborne? This is just going to be V over A. So this is about 10.2 seconds.